I believe since you've been on that course, you've been on an amazing spiritual journey.
I never forget that day. I still have my bits and pieces that we done on the course, and yeah, it was amazing. And I definitely would recommend it to anyone if you ever do them again, because I learned a lot from it. Especially my confidence was low at the time, but then after 3 years of doing readings and stuff, it built it back up, and yeah, very good.
Yeah. So watch the space. Stephanie was at that psychic development course, I think she mentioned 3 years ago. Since then, she's went on to be a commercial reader herself in her own right. She charges people for that. Not everyone always wants to do that, but quite a few people do, and do it very, very successfully. If you're interested in learning more about the psychic development course, reach out to me, info@michaelhenry.tv, and we will give you the first dibs of the dates. Well, obviously, we're going to keep the numbers low and it will sell out. So would you understand, linked to your husband, something about an anniversary around now?
My birthday in a few days' time.
Excellent. And would you also understand your dad thanking you for giving up the cigarettes?
Right. Okay, yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And I feel this is quite a recent event.
Yeah.
Like very recent.
Very, very recent.
Like so recent, it's like you're not sure if you're going to stay the course.
It's difficult.
So is your husband, ex-husband, in spirit?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you say ex-husband?
Late husband.
Okay. So what's the X? Why am I being told about the X? So this is.
Although we got divorced, we remained together. So in theory, it would have been my ex-husband, but we stayed living together.
Okay. Okay. And I do feel, oh my goodness, I got a shiver down my spine. And I forgot to tell the people watching this, all of you, even though this is through the World Wide Web, all of you on some level will experience psychic phenomenon right now. He is your guardian angel. And actually, just talking now to you, you would talk to him like he was right beside you.
Oh, 100%, yeah.
Okay. Now, 14 is a very significant number for you, and I don't know why.
Right. 14th.
Yeah. Is it like, is it the date of your birth?
It's actually his 14th of December. That's when he died.
Okay.
When he passed away.
And for some reason, 14 is a very significant number for you. I think you see that a lot. A lot of people see the 11s. Like the number 4 is your favorite number, actually.
Yeah, how did you know
that? It's in your PIN number.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see. And I think, have you just lost your bank card? You can't find it? You looking for it?
Katie did, actually.
Sorry?
Katie actually just.
I can't find my bank card.
Oh, that's so weird. It's not so weird. I think we're moving to her. So let's it's lovely meeting you though. I love to meet
and you too, Michael. Thanks so much.
Yes, keep in touch.